1 minute, I'm waiting for my pop in the box orders, and the next thing I know, I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 boxes. So let's get cracking. Hello, all my explorers, and welcome back to Loren's Adventures out there. If you're new, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Loren, and I'm with Castles, Capes, and Clones, where we discuss everything in the Disney universe. We do unboxings and hauls, pins and pin tags. We do Disney news and Disney reviews. So if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell for notifications, and do like this post, as it really does help us out. So, I just filmed this whole video just a second ago, and I made one mistake, and everything got ruined. So instead of reboxing everything, I'm just going to show you what I got, and I'm so sorry for that, for those of you who like to see all the boxes and things like that, but I just don't have the energy. I'm so frustrated right now, and stupid mistake that I made, and for some reason I decided to film this thing all the way through, so I lost the whole thing. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. We'll go ahead and start off this video. This is a pop in the box. I've been waiting for my pre-orders, and they're finally starting to come in. Thank goodness, after like several months of not hearing from them and getting kind of the runaround. Oh, well, you know, we only get them when we get them, and so forth. So anyway, that's a good thing. I also got my subscription box, my Disney subscription box, and I'm excited to show you that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at what I got. Okay, so let's start off with the subscription box. I actually loved what I got in there. I got 3 of the Ultimate Disney Princess line, and starting off with Jasmine, and she just looks great. The way that they've been doing these, giving you so many details. There's a little table with a bottle on it, and back here is a little carpet. But look at her hair. It just looks amazing. And there's that side, and back to Jasmine. Just beautiful. I just love this a lot. And I'm not necessarily a big Jasmine fan, but I do love this one. And so anyway. Okay, so the next one that I got was Princess Tiana, and I love this because she's not in her green dress, even though I love that green dress. It's one of my favorites, but this is the one that she wore to the party, and she just looks great. And on here is the Princess and the Frog book that her mom read her and Charlotte as youngsters. She's got a little fan over here, and then in the back over here, we got a little teddy bear. And look at the hair. It just looks amazing. And the little twirls on the side. Just so beautiful. I love it. All right, and next up we have Aurora as Briar Rose. I love Briar Rose. Like, I just think that this is her best look to me. And she's got her little woodland creatures here, a bird and a squirrel. And they're looking at her, loving her. And again, look at the hair. The hair has these swirls that were like the ones in the animation. She's got a little pail in her hand. She's getting water for her and the fairies. And there's that. Okay, so next up, I got one of these. This is from Marvel, and it is Reality Warps. This is where they kind of combine two characters together, and this is the Soldier Supreme. So it is both Captain America and Doctor Strange, and this is him. It got a little star on his head, and look at the mustache. Instead of being Doctor Strange's brown mustache, he's got the yellow mustache. And he's doing a spell, as you can see there. He's a bobblehead, like all Marvel ones are. I don't know why Marvel wanted to make them bobbleheads. I really don't understand it, but oh well. And then at the back, look at that cape. Amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. I love it. All right. And then next I got Sam Wilson as Falcon. And he's flying in this one. I have another version of him elsewhere where he's kind of programming Red Wing. And again, bobblehead because he's Marvel. But he looks great. He's got his goggles on. Just like this detailing here. Look at the wings. Amazing. Side. And he's got a little stand so that you can see that he's flying. Oops. And that's it. Okay, and the last one that I got is not Disney related, but if you watch the WandaVision and you saw the 1960s version, that was based on the show Bewitched. And this is Endora, who played Samantha Stevens' mother. Samantha was the witch in the show. But look at her. That eye makeup is exactly the way that Endora wore her eye makeup. And that dress with the little, I don't know what you call this, but robe or whatever. Just beautiful. And there she is. One more. All right. So those are the ones that I got. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and if you did, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications. Do like this post, as it really does help us out. Also, follow us on all our socials below, and visit our website at www.castlescapesandclones.com. Thank you so much again, and we will see you later. Bye!